Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to be cleaning the outside of our Blackstone Griddle. Now I haven't used the Blackstone Griddle in, man, I'm going to say a good 7 months. I haven't used it and it looks bad from the outside. So here we have our super clean that we're going to be using. The company reached out, they wanted to send us this, and my Blackstone looked horrible. And I knew I needed to clean it, and so I said this is perfect. So let's go ahead and go into our Blackstone here. As you can see, it's really bad. Now we're gonna use this foam, the super clean foam spray. And so pretty much we're just gonna spray it all on top. And then we're gonna give it like 20 seconds to kind of set. And then I have this little cleaning pad here that I like to use for my grills, and so we're gonna go ahead and use this for this. And I'm not using a lot of pressure; it's just kind of helping the whole thing. Pretty much, some of the videos I see, you don't even need this. You can just put this on and grab a rag and just go ahead and clean it. But I like to be real thorough on this, and I want to make sure this is done right. And so, and here we are. We're gonna go ahead and clean it. Hopefully it comes out real nice. So then we'll go ahead and grab some water. If you have a hose nearby, go ahead and grab a hose. I don't have a hose nearby. I could bring one, but I'd rather just do a cup. Just go ahead and pour it all over here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab a rag and go ahead and wipe it down with the rag. It's looking pretty good. Yeah, looking good. This looks good. Looks clean. I like it. So now we're gonna go do the side. This side is really bad. As you can see here, it's bad. I didn't take care of my Blackstone as much as I should have, but we are now. So we'll go ahead and spray all this here. Do the same. I'm just gonna grab my little cleaner, my little scrubber here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and scrub this. And then once again, we're gonna add some water, and then grab a rag and just go ahead and wipe it down. And the finished results is amazing. This thing is good. So I say this worked really well, as you guys can see, as you guys saw in the Blackstone. Blackstone's looking really good. This stuff you can buy at a Walmart. So yeah, this did a good job. I definitely recommend this. And I'll be using this for my gas grill and my pit boss when it's time to clean those, because I know my gas grill is about ready to do a nice cleaning. This is what I'll be using, and then the pit boss will be next. But make sure you guys check them out. I mean, they have it at Walmart. As you can see on the Blackstone, it did a really good job. And so, and it wasn't hard. It wasn't like how to do different coats. No, it was just one, let it set for 20-30 seconds and just start doing with a little scrub. This scrub, I think I got it at Walmart too. It was real cheap, a few bucks. You really don't need it, but I like it. You know, it's a little extra step that I like to do. So you guys check them out, and I'll see you guys next time.